Lula da Silva, who was here participating at the AI summit. Today is the day when the two leaders are going to be inking a very important deal. This is a deal that is going to be extremely beneficial when it comes to both the countries. They have maintained a channel of communication in the last few years. In fact, their focus now is on inking a very important, very crucial deal, which includes rare earths. It also includes the pharmaceutical sector as well as the aerospace. That is what is on the agenda, strengthening ties as far as trade and critical minerals, defense, energy and digital tech is concerned. Right now, the two leaders are at Hyderabad House. They will also be, in fact, paying a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat, and that is what is on the cards as well. The two sides are likely to sign a pact between in order for the construction of the E-175 aircraft final assembly line in India. The Prime Minister there alongside the President of Brazil. We did see that ceremonial welcome alongside Draupadi Murmu, our President as well. So here we have the two leaders about to embark upon that very crucial deal, the crucial deal that is going to be taking place. He of course has been accompanied by more than 260 Brazilian companies, around 14 cabinet ministers, several top chief executives, all here in India to expand commercial ties amid shifting global trade dynamics triggered by tariff actions that have been taken by the United States in particular. And this is of course coinciding with his visit and his participation in the AI Impact Summit here in the national capital. But the key issues and the key deal that is going to be inked by both sides is addressing issues related to technology, digital public infrastructure, the role of artificial intelligence. The Brazilian leader, of course, while he has been attending the summit, marking technology cooperation as a new and growing dimension, speaking about how Brazil can't distance the two countries can't distance themselves from each other, is what Lula, who is holding these wide range of bilateral talks with the Prime Minister. In fact, today is the day when that deal is going to be inked. And what all does that include? It's over to my colleague Aditya Rajkal. A very, very important day for India with the Brazilian leader here, the Prime Minister there holding hands there, at the Hyderabad House. That ceremonial welcome that the Brazilian leader got, he's going to be paying a tribute at the Rajghat as well. Take us through all that's being planned and all that's on the agenda.
Well, yes, this is a very significant visit of the Brazilian President Lula to India. Remember, he participated with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the inauguration of the AI Summit. And of course, that was very significant. On the sidelines of this, there will be others also participating. And of course, the Brazilian President would be discussing trade dynamics and business with him. There will be a large delegation. In fact, 260 companies are participating along with the Brazilian President in this important visit. Remember, this is also the year when India hosts the BRICS Summit later this year, which will be very, very significant. And this time the presidency is of India. And at the same time, there has been alignment between India and Brazil when it comes to the Trump tariffs. On the global tariff policy, there was tariffs that were imposed on Brazil as well. And on Global South also, the renewed push for the leadership of the Global South at AI Summit or other global issues, there has been an alignment between India and Brazil. So significantly, we'll see talks on trade, on counterterrorism, on several other aspects of economic cooperation between these countries when the talks begin. But this is the big handshake between Lula and Modi happening a day after the grand success of the AI Summit. Now, the state visit of the Brazilian President beginning here in New Delhi at the Hyderabad House, the big handshake, and now to the brass tacks where the dialogue will begin. And then we have a joint statement where both the countries will spell out what is planned for the future of the ties between these two countries.